Oh, hello mga boss, mga bay. Where? Yes, eh. We'll see that, you see that 112,580 and then Dios 10W30. That's the good thing in Japan. And then I see here, huh? And I see here, this is the owner, oh. There is picture. We see that one here. My picture, oh. Ito yung may-ari, mga boss.
Children.
Oh, this one is children. Son. Then the other one here. Where? Here? What's that? What? Oh, there is a picture. Oh my God! Oh, this is a... There is... Oh my God, oh. Then this is the... What you call this one? Oh, this is the owner.
Japan owner.
Japan owner, oh. There is a picture in... There is a picture in inside in the box. Yeah. So the owner, this one is a female. Very good driver. We'll see. This one. Dios 0W20. Hindi parehas. Ang ano nito 149,600. Diba? Tingnan nyo mga boss. 149,600 pagka 154,600 nagpa-change oil na rin sila, diba? So 5,000 lang talaga kahit 0W20. Grabe. Oh. Very good. That's the good thing in Japan, sa amin sa Japan. Dito sa Pinas, kung hindi pa, kung tatakbo pa ang sasakyan, hindi pa yan pupunta sa shop. Okay ba? Tingnan mo, puro babae may-ari nito. May picture pa, oh. Picture yan, oh. Picture yan. Puro babae. Dito din. Picture. Hilig din sa picture ang ang hapon. Wow, oh. No battery model. Git mo battery will be the one to no remote, no sa. Meron pa mga boss, oh. Very hamis. Streetmatic, there is power mode also. So dami pa, may DA17, no? Ay, ano pala to? DA64. DA64B. Blue pa ang Ito ang DA17. Kada boss, DA17 na boss? DA64 pa rin. Ito ang engine coolant. Hala,